You can classify a system of two linear equations by the number of solutions. First, a consistent system. A consistent system has at least one solution. An inconsistent system has no solutions. A consistent system may either be independent or dependent. A consistent system that is independent has one solution, and a consistent system which is dependent has infinitely many solutions. The graphs for an inconsistent system are parallel lines, so there are no solutions. For a dependent system, the two equations represent the same line. Take note, concept summary, graphical solutions of linear systems. First on the left, a graph with intersecting lines. We have one solution, that single point of intersection, so this is a consistent, independent system. Next, coinciding lines, so two lines perfectly overlapping one another, essentially forming the same line. In this case, we have infinitely many points in common between the two lines, so infinitely many solutions. This system is also consistent, but this one is classified as dependent. And third, parallel lines. So take note, we have no points of intersection, no points in common between these two lines, so there is no solution. And this system is said to be inconsistent. Problem 4. Classifying a system without graphing. Without graphing, is the system independent, dependent, or inconsistent? Well, we have two equations. Consider 4y minus 2x equals 6 and 8y equals 4x minus 12. What we want to identify are the slopes and the y-intercepts of the lines represented by each of these equations. We can do that much more easily if each equation is written in slope-intercept form. So that's our first step. Rewrite each equation in slope-intercept form and compare the slopes and y-intercepts. Now, 4y minus 2x equals 6 can be rewritten in slope-intercept form as y equals 1/2 x plus 3/2, and the equation 8y equals 4x minus 12 can be rewritten as y equals 1/2 x minus 3/2. The slope on the left, m equals 1/2, our coefficient of x, and the y-intercept is 3/2. On the right, the slope also 1/2, and the y-intercept is negative 3/2. So note we have the same slope, but different y-intercepts. The slopes are equal, and the y-intercepts are different. So the lines are different, but parallel. This means the system is inconsistent. Your turn, part A. Without graphing, is the system independent, dependent, or inconsistent? Part B, how about this system? Part C, same instructions, but with a new system.